Turn around, girls. This way. Are you in line? Turn around. Turn around, honey. This way.
Hello everyone, my name is Jane and the girls in front of you, we are part of a non-profit organization here in the Central Valley. We are called HCAP, or also known as Hmong Culture and Arts Preservation. Our goal is to preserve the Hmong culture through arts, and we currently have 7 Hmong dance groups along with 1 Ping team and also a team of K-pop dancers. So the team in front of you guys is Ntsa and Ntxhais, and can everyone give them a good round of applause? All right, here we go.
Nhẹ nhàng khó tươi tố nhớ rõ ràng từ lo du hoa lánh mùa mong rong gò và nông nếp mùa thầu mùa tù mùa cà pu ít tụ mùa cù bò xê ya yêu sông ngô luôn vì nà giờ sa tư lớn giờ chỉ đua lánh mùa mong gà lánh mùa rong có sự ý đồ từ lo rong có kỳ hoa cũng nhờ anh mùa